Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install DocuSign for faster contract signing and turnaround, complete guide step by step clearly. To install DocuSign for faster contract signing and turnaround, start by visiting the DocuSign website. Look for the sign up option, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button, which will direct you to the registration page. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from DocuSign. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the DocuSign homepage and log in using your credentials. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you can manage your documents and signatures. Next, to install the DocuSign application, locate the download option on the homepage. Choose the appropriate version based on your device: Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. For desktop installations, click on the download button for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your device. After installation, open the DocuSign app and log in with the same credentials you used for the website. To start signing contracts, click on the New button on the dashboard and select Send an envelope. Upload the document you want to get signed by clicking the Upload button. Add the recipient's email address and specify their signing order if needed. Use the drag and drop feature to place signing fields where necessary, such as signatures, dates, and text fields. Once you have set everything up, click on the Send button to deliver the document for signing. You can track the status of your envelope from the dashboard to see when it has been viewed and signed. Once all parties have signed, the fully executed document will be available for download or printing. With DocuSign installed, you can now enjoy faster contract signing and turnaround times. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.